Are you kidding me? 21 kills for TSM entities.
Look at that! What is that? What the shit is that? That makes no sense.
Right? Well, and this is the thing about TSM entities. All it takes is one game, and they're back in the mix.
I'm the shit, use your throne as my toilet seat. I demand the king's ransom for royalty. I deserve a mansion, I'm royalty. Address me, your majesty. To form a new dynasty. The old one was dynasty. I am your highness, please. Address me, your majesty.
I guess इनकी टीम के पास I don't know कि इनके प्लेयर्स के पास स्किल्स क्या होंगे 5 5 5 6 या क्या होंगे बिकॉज़ डोमिनेशन बहुत बढ़िया थी यहाँ पर प्लेयर्स की। अगर पीएमसीओस की भी बात कर ले तब भी 21 का जो नंबर है वो वहाँ पे हिट नहीं हुआ होगा। इस नंबर्स वाज नॉट स्टॉपिंग एट ऑल।
प्लेयर जमीन में हवा में इनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, गोलियां चलनी चाहिए बस इनकी गन।
Instant classic, it's classical gold art. Urban black spin, blacklisted Mozart.
For the push, he gets one. Can he get the second clutch move on Heineken? He makes it happen.
बिल्कुल इंडिया में ग्रेनेड पुल करे जॉनथन के पास 2 किल इंस्टेंट यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं ज्योति शेखर
Gally end off the back of Bulls right now in the form of Fnatic. It is going to be Johnson and Seagull versus 4 members of Fnatic pushing in on their position, trying to get the job done. He does get one knock. He gets the second knock, and is that a squad fight?